Samadhani.
Sir, it is quite pity and it is quite regrettable that such a country like India, which has enough resources, that is facing very serious problems regarding scarcity of power and water. And sir, my suggestion to the Honorable Minister and to the government is that the government should do something urgent to make every panchayat self-sufficient and self-reliant in this regard by providing enough facilities in the case of production of energy and also making the drinking water available. Sir, we have enough rivers, but we have not utilized it. And this pollution is there. Anti-pollution activities are to be made more stronger, and also purification of the river water. India has enough water resources, sir. When I speak of this, I am reminded of a poet who said, "Ik samandar ne awaaz di ke mujhko pani pila dijiye." That is the case of India. We have enough water, we have enough resources, but even having all these things, we are complaining because of only our wrong policies. Another thing is, sir, I would like to request the government, what is their policy towards this borewell? I don't oppose it. Borewell is the only solution, especially in villages, to make the drinking water available. But it is said scientifically, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Conclude.
It is said scientifically that digging borewell is weakening the groundwater resources. So what is the government's policy regarding this? And also, sir, developed nations are making their attempts to purify sea water. I think our government, our people, our society will also be compelled in the future to think in this direction. Sea water is purified and thus drinking water is made available in many of the countries, especially in the Gulf countries. We can also think of accepting this model with these suggestions, sir. Thanking you. Sir, the question is regarding the availability of the safe drinking water. And sir, I would like to know whether the government is aware of the reports that have appeared about these mineral water. So many unhealthy effects are there, and there were continuous reports appearing on these very unhealthy trends which have been caused by these things, and whether the government is aware of that, and a system which was introduced as a substitute to the availability of safe drinking water, sir, it has become now a very unhealthy process, and that is creating much anguish in the people. And what steps the government is going to take to set the system right? Thank you, sir. Sir, I am here to make only a few suggestions to this very important discussion. Only briefly, I would like to mention some points. Sir, as we all know, the serious drought situation has become a great threat to the day-to-day life of the people in certain states of the country, especially in Rajasthan and Gujarat. There the food is scarce and water is rare. The major problem, various serious dimensions of this problem has been discussed in detail. I am not going to those details again. I am not repeating. Most important problem is the water problem. Sir, it is reported in the press. Fights are going on among the people in the villages for drinking water. For a drop of water, people are fighting each other, and a serious situation has arisen in some of the area. That is the most important aspect of this issue that is to be taken into consideration. It is a very good news that railway has consented for the free transportation of drinking water, and this positive aspect is to be taken into consideration, and the help from the railway department is to be utilized with its maximum effect. More and more drinking water is to be transported into these areas using this help done by the railway department. And also, sir, the cleaning of the wells is very important. The central government should make a package, make a system to scientifically clean all the wells that are available there. Another thing is the storing of water. Sir, there is a fight going on nowadays in the country between those people who argue for environmental awareness and for those who argue for the developmental activities. Actually, both are important. Development is important, environmental awareness is also important. A balance is to be found out between these two, and more water is to be stored. Sir, it is reported that in the coming century, or at least sometimes in the century itself, the great battles between nations will not be for territory, will not be for people, that will be for drinking water. Such a stage we are going to approach. That is a serious problem facing the humanity in the future. So we will have to find out for the future what more and more to be done, especially this so many water is wasted nowadays. So we will have to think of some kind of a system by which more water can be stored. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.